Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a very simple dish which I saw from a recipe book. Quite interesting. It's called Drunken chicken with tangui. Yeah, with tangui in. So this is tangui. It has a very aromatic aroma. Actually, it's my favorite, but try not to push too much because this by Chinese medicine it is said to be a bit heaty. So if the weather is very cold, things like that, it's probably good to have this. Okay, so as the name suggests, this is drunken chicken. So I'm going to use some Chinese rice wine. Okay, so and then I want to say thanks to Sanho. This is a brand from Ipoh, 50 years brand from Ipoh. Actually, they are giving Appa a chance to try their products, yeah, especially their light soya sauce. Okay, now and then I have 2 pieces of tangui here, about 10 pieces, approximately 10 pieces of onion. I'm using onion pula. This is ginger. Okay, and I'm using young ginger today. You can use old ginger if you want. And I have some wolfberries, yeah. So just quickly wash your herbs, that's all. And the first thing we need to do is to marinate our chicken. So let's give it a bit of light soya sauce. Alright, then a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, little bit of Shaoxing wine and some cornstarch, or you can use tapioca starch. Oops, I took the wrong one. This is sugar. Let me put in the starch. Okay, and we can gently massage the chicken. I'm cooking for 3 adults here, and I'm using 4 chicken wing. It's already very fragrant. Okay, so basically I'm going to let this marinate for approximately 30 to about 30 minutes. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes. Then we will start cooking. Okay, if you are using stainless steel like Appa, then you always put oil into cold water, then only raise the heat. By doing this, it will reduce the sticking problem. Okay, it will still stick, but lesser. Okay, I'm going to put in a bit of sesame oil here and mix it with some vegetable oil, because if I use sesame oil alone and I start stir frying right now, the sesame oil can become bitter. Okay, so I actually mix it. So what we want to do here is we want to saute our ginger to really brings out the flavor. Okay, do this for about 2-3 minutes, then only we will continue. We will come back shortly. Okay, this is after about 2-3 minutes sauteing my ginger. You can start to see my ginger started to curl up and a little bit brownish. Yeah, this is the time where we can put in the marinated chicken, and we're going to stir fry it for a while. Ooh, very fragrant. Okay, then I'm going to put in approximately 150 ml of Shaoxing wine, which is somewhere around half bowl of Shaoxing wine. Oops. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water, just a little bit. my tangkui and part of half of the wolfberries or goji berries. Let me add a bit more hot water because I'm going to let it simmer for a while. Okay, this is optional, but you can put in a little bit of oyster sauce. And I'm going to add in some light soya sauce from Sanho. Alright. So super fragrant. Alright. And I'm going to close the lid, tune down the fire for until about medium to medium high heat, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Then it will be cooked. Then we can do some final seasoning by then. Alright. Okay, now it's about 8-9 minutes. Actually, the recipe only says 5 minutes. I already cook a bit longer. Ooh, but look at the thickened sauce. And my chicken is definitely cooked already. That recipe that uses the chicken drumstick. I don't have drumstick at home. I only have chicken wings. Remember, there's no rule in Appa kitchen. Alright, it is basically done. My chicken is definitely cooked, fully cooked, and it is so super fragrant. And just now, I worried that my water will evaporate and reduce too fast, so I actually tuned down the fire to about medium heat. Okay, so you don't want to be too high heat. If not, the whole thing gets dry out too fast. Okay, even before your chicken is cooked. Okay, now before serving, last thing we need to do is to do some final seasoning. Going to give it a bit of salt, and I have some wolfberries, goji berries left. Give it a few stir and it is done. Look at the thickened sauce. Ooh, this is going to taste so good with the nice aroma from the tangkui. I can't remember tangkui is what is tangkui in English. Perhaps you all can help me by leaving comment it in the comment section. Okay, it's basically done. Let me remove it from the wok. Oh, this is so super fragrant. In their recipe book, they actually use a clay pot. So if you have a clay pot, by all means use it. Okay, so here's my drunken chicken with tangkui. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.